Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So ActionDash recently got a new update version 4.0, and in that new update it got some new features as well. So let's take a look at some. So the first one is called schedules. So now you'll be able to set up focus mode schedules on ActionDash. So what that means is you can set up a schedule for from 8 till 4, let's say, Monday to Friday, where certain apps that you choose that you don't want to be distracted by, so for example Twitter or Instagram, you can have those apps set up in your focus mode area, where when you have focus mode schedules on, from 8 till 3 you cannot open Instagram or Twitter. And so yeah, it's just a really cool feature now. So you can set up your schedules for work days, and then of course for when you're getting ready to go to bed, you don't want to get distracted and just scrolling on your phone on Instagram. You can now set up a schedule from 11 p.m. until 7 a.m. You don't want to open Instagram. So yeah, it's a really fantastic feature, and it should help you not use those apps that you don't want to use too much on your phone now. Another cool new feature is called usage enforcement options. So what this is pretty much when focus mode is turned on, you'll be able to now see, instead of a GIF, which was the Matrix, a Matrix GIF, it now shows you a graph of your how much of the apps that you're trying to open. So if you're trying to open Instagram, for example, it will show you now a graph of how long you have opened Instagram and how much you have used it. Since you have focus mode turned on, it wants to show you how much you've used it the past while back, the app, which is really neat. Another cool feature is called a helpful detour. So a helpful detour is just a super simple little tiny feature that if you're trying to turn off focus mode, you actually have to wait for a countdown. And it's like a pretty much a 15-second countdown, where it will count down and then it will allow you to turn off focus mode. And the whole point of that countdown is to make you think if you really need to use that app right now. So if you really need to use Instagram right now, then you have to wait 15 seconds. But if you don't really need to, you could just go back to using your smartphone and not having to use Instagram. So yeah, it's just a really neat little tiny feature right there. And next we have a cloud backup. So I currently don't back up my ActionDash information to the cloud, but of course it's a more privacy focused update, which is really neat as well. And then of course, since ActionDash is developed by the same developer who created Action Launcher, ActionDash integrates more with Action Launcher as well with this update. So now, if you try to use app shortcuts on an app that's being focused on or blocked on, so like Instagram for example again, you can now see how long you have until you can open the app, which is really neat as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for what's new in 4.0. It's of course ActionDash is an app that is to help you lower your usage time and just help you use your phone less as well. And with this new update, it should help you use your phone less as well. So that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.